With the info function in Excel, you can get information about the current operating environment, things like what version of Excel you're using, how many active worksheets there are in all the open workbooks, and what the current calculation mode is. In this first example, we'd like to find out the Excel version. So in this cell, I'll type equal info for the info function. And then it shows a list of the different values that we can select. And for the version of Excel, we'll use release. So I'll double click on that and then a closing bracket. When I press enter, it shows that I'm using version 14. You can also find out how many worksheets. Now this workbook has 5 sheets. We can just see those here at the bottom. So when I click in here and type equals info bracket, and for this we want num file. That'll tell us how many active worksheets there are. So I'll double click, close the bracket, and it shows 7. So even though this workbook has only 5 sheets and it's the only workbook that I have open, we also have an add-in, and that add-in has a couple of sheets, and those are being counted as well. So this will show all the active sheets in the open workbooks, even if those workbooks are hidden. And finally, I've created a drop-down list. So here are all the different values that we can use with the info function. I've created a drop-down list that lets me select any one of those, and in here I can type equals info, then click on this cell. Instead of typing a value in the function, I can refer to a cell that has one of the values, and when I press enter it shows the calculation, or I could see the number of files. So if you want some flexibility, you could create a drop-down list of the values.